Social media has become an essential tool for estate and letting agents, so let's look at 9 tips to help you make the most of it. Social media demands a personal touch. You'll need to reveal the personality behind your brand authentically. Speak directly to your customers and feature your staff, letting their personalities shine. If you don't have much of a social media presence, getting established will take time. It can take up to a year to get a good following and properly find your voice, so stick with it. It is vital that you commit to the platforms you are using. Post regularly and make sure you respond promptly to any customers who interact with you. Scheduling your posts saves time. There's plenty of tools to help you do this, including TweetDeck, Hootsuite, Buffer, Later, and of course many more tools besides. It's best to schedule anything you can in advance, such as links to blog posts, newsletters, or videos. Supplement this with fresh material as you react to trending or current issues. If managing multiple accounts feels daunting, remember, you can repurpose posts. A blog post issued via Twitter could become a Facebook video and Instagram story, for example. Don't restrict your timelines to lists of homes for sale and rent. Experts say no more than 20% of your timeline should be taken up with this. Look for different ways to present properties, such as by telling the story behind the house move. This is a good example where the agent gives an insight into the person buying the home, along with an effective, relevant image which backs up the text. Audiences demand more than just a hard sell. You should offer them information to help them through the tricky business of buying, selling, and renting. You should also establish yourself as an active part of the local community and post about upcoming events and news. Here's a good example where the estate agent links the social post to the current season and local events. Social media is perfect for images, and you should use one with every post, but make sure you vary them. Photos of pets or stunning views can add variety to a timeline, or use nifty infographics to draw your audience into a news blog. This is a great example where the agent doesn't simply post yet another house image on their social media feed. More and more people are using social media to interact with organizations, and doing so publicly. It's important to monitor your accounts and reply to any questions promptly and helpfully. If someone is complaining about the service they've received, investigate and tackle it head-on. Put things right if you need to, and explain what you've done. Social media accounts are a valuable source of information about your customers, so take note of their comments and posts too. These days it's pretty much essential that you use some video in your timeline to engage your audience. This could be anything from tours of prime homes to how-to demonstration videos on practical subjects. Animated infographics can be eye-catching and shareable too, such as this one from Zoopla. All the social platforms give you instant access to basic analysis, such as number of followers, views, shares, and likes. These metrics are a useful starting point for measuring your social media strategy. However, to accurately measure social media ROI, you must set clear objectives for your social strategy or campaign, with measurable goals, creating awareness of a service, developing customer advocates, or generating leads, for example. Keeping ahead of the game can feel daunting, but it's also one of the things that keeps the world of social media so exciting and packed with opportunities. We hope you're able to use these tips to improve your social strategy and generate high-quality leads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.